Hey guys, today on Real Tease Fishing TV, very quick video. You know, we like to make our videos straight to the point. So we are going to go ahead and show you guys how we label our crab traps. So here in the state of Florida, we do stone crabbing, and they, because of regulations, they make us put our full name, our address, and a specific crab trap ID tag or tag number. And we get 5 of those. We have to label it to each trap. So super quick, easy way to do it, cost effective. How we use it, we use a plastic tab. We buy these pretty cheap on Amazon. I think these are like luggage tags. And then we use a label maker, and believe it or not, it'll last all season and seasons to come. It'll stay on there affixed to the trap, and even though it's underwater, they seem to stick perfectly well. So stay tuned and we'll show you how we do it.